Document assessment date, location, assessor details, shift information, and inspection type, routine monthly, special assessment, or post-incident evaluation. Verify safety protocols are visible and current. PPE compliance, emergency response training status, and document any safety standard violations. Inspect all machines for proper operation without signs of wear or malfunction that could pose safety risks. Ensure all safety guards are operational on relevant equipment and properly positioned for worker protection. Review machine maintenance logs for accuracy and currency, ensuring preventive maintenance schedules are followed. Verify proper implementation of lockout tagout procedures and identify any equipment related hazards like loose parts or exposed wiring. Material safety data sheets available and accessible, safe storage with correct chemical labels, employee training and proper handling and disposal, functional spill kits and containment measures, fire extinguishers accessible and in place, functional fire alarms and sprinkler systems, emergency exits clearly marked and unobstructed, appropriate storage of flammable materials. Operational ventilation systems free from blockages, maintaining proper air circulation and quality compliance with dust, fumes, and emissions regulations. Temperature and humidity maintained within safe working parameters to ensure employee comfort and equipment functionality. Noise levels monitored and kept within acceptable limits to protect worker hearing and maintain communication effectiveness. Workstations designed to minimize strain, proper lifting techniques used, clear pathways maintained, and adequate lighting levels for all tasks, accessible and properly labeled electrical panels, good condition cords and outlets, functional GFCIs and no evidence of overloading or improper wiring, secure item storage preventing falls, well-maintained ladders and lifts, sufficient clearance for equipment movement, and stable material stacking within safe height limits. Trained and competent employees, sufficient staffing levels, health issue monitoring, and observation of fatigue or excessive overtime patterns. All monthly incidents logged and reviewed with comprehensive documentation and analysis. Implementation of corrective actions from previous incidents with priority levels and responsible parties assigned. Systematic approach for reporting and analyzing near-miss events to prevent future incidents. Inspector signature, completion date, and managerial review ensuring accountability and follow-through.